The Hikari plant in Japan is one of the largest in the Takeda network, surrounded by beautiful nature in the Yamaguchi prefecture. The plant is host to all elements of the manufacturing process, from manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients to packaging and delivery. The all-in-one facility offers a stable supply of high-quality pharmaceutical products to patients around the world. In line with Takeda's digital transformation, cutting-edge technology was applied in this facility. Takeda's new solid pharmaceutical production building was designed to elevate pharmaceutical packaging operations to a new industrial standard. The facility is highly automated, with end-to-end packaging lines including case packers, automated guided vehicles, and robots to feed the automated storage and retrieval system. These automation technologies help to reduce operators' manual labour for material transport and increases focus and attention, supporting right first time for operators. The operator uses a tablet device to follow the instruction from the manufacturing execution system. With the supervisory control and data acquisition system, the entire automated packaging process can be monitored. Smart Changeover is an additional technology Takeda uses in the operation area. It enables the operator to read the detailed instructions when conducting the changeover at the packaging line. The automatic line clearance system is an outcome of Takeda's continuous improvement program, Agile. Takeda developed and implemented the system and is the first pharmaceutical company to use it in a commercial packaging facility. It consists of multiple digital technologies, such as 360-degree cameras, laser sensors, and dry run mode utilizing artificial intelligence. It prevents product mix-up and creates a safe and user-friendly environment for the operators. The team fully leverage augmented and virtual reality across the facility. Augmented reality glasses facilitate remote expert collaboration, while virtual reality is used for aseptic practices training. The facility has been committed to deliver high-quality pharmaceutical products to patients around the world since 1946. There's a vast amount of knowledge and experience across the teams, which is shared and leveraged across functions. All bound by a shared purpose of bringing better health for people and brighter future for the world.